Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be doing Assembly 309, part 3-40, the Boiler Feed Clack Bypass. Let's get assembling. Alright, let's go File, New. This time I'm going to go Assembly MMGS. We'll go View, Hide Show, Origins. We're going to bring in part 340A. Click that there. Now turn the view off. So just turn the Origins back off. Okay, let's go Components. Going to click on this like pin icon, that way it locks in place, doesn't pop back out. So we got this one, we got, which is going to be about there. It's going to go in that slot there. Let's see now, we've got ball bearings going to go towards the top. We've got the this one here, going to go towards the top as well. This one's E's going to go above the ball bearing. This part here is going to go, what's that? F. It's going to go down the bottom here. This part here, G, is going to go, where's G? Going to go part with that part, and the handle's going to go on top of that. There we go. That's it. So close that down. Okay, we're going to first off put the pieces in. We can know where it goes in. So that piece is going to go in here. So if we a quick save. Never save regularly. Okay, so we've got mate. We do a full circle in there anywhere. Full circle. Full circle. Nope. Don't think that's a full circle. No, it wasn't. Dang it. Okay, undo. First off, let's do that face to that face, so we got the right face. Correct. Now we can do that circumference. Do that circumference. Oh, nope. That don't work either. Okay. Delete that one. There we go. Done it back there. There we go. Done the cylinder. So that piece is in. Now I'm going to click out of that. That way if I undo it, work on the next one, it's not going to do everything. That piece is done. Okay, so nothing goes on there, nothing goes on there. This piece goes in there, but this section here. I don't know how deep it goes, but I think it goes deep by the looks of it. Okay, so if we, hold on, if we go back to mate, thank you very much. The whole circle, so we find out. It was, but we want to rotate it. So flip it. There we go. Okay, then it does right. Kind of put it in the right place. I do that circle. If I do actually, let me just delete that. Clear that. I mean, if I do the thread to the thread, No, it doesn't. Okay, don't worry about it. Clear. But you can do thread to thread. Nope. Let's come back to that one. Okay, so now the ball bearing goes down to small one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mate that face with that. The cylinder with that. Nope, that didn't work either. If I do that one, just undo all that. Okay, let me just undo that one, delete that one. Let me do that here with that. It doesn't really put it center. I was hoping it would. Okay, undo. Stop this falling all the way through. Definitely is that one. Yeah, it's definitely that one. Okay, let me clear that. Thank you. Let me go there. There. That one. To that one. It's not doing it. Okay, it's not working. Delete that one. Delete that one. I see. Yeah, it won't fall through because it's too big. Okay, fair enough. Just gonna leave it in there like that. This isn't a working model. In real life it would be. In real life it'd be easy to put in there too. Just drop it in. So, but right now we want to go cylinder to cylinder. We go top to there. There you go. That looks good. That's good. As in real life, you put that in there, and you know this is just a stagnant model I'm building, so got a bit of leeway in that. So that's cool. Okay, so now if I actually before going further, I'll delete that one. There you go. Just save that. Let me just try something on this. Let me go to that one. What does that do? Not much. Yeah, I was going to click on the cylinder, but flat serve, but yeah, it's not working. Okay, let me just clear that. Let me go back to that one. Okay, so we want let's see now. That cylinder will match this cylinder. Oh, I grabbed that. That's weird. Clear that. That's okay. That was weird. Okay, let's do that face. Do that face. There we go. That's cylinder. There we go. There we go. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Now. Where's that go? Oh, I see. Okay, hold on. goes on there. I see. That thread goes on that thread, which locks it in place, but then that thread goes there, and this can wind up and down. Okay, I see now. I see now. That means I would need that piece there. I'm going to put right on there. Oh, no. No, that's wrong one. Wrong one. That piece there, sorry, is that piece. Now we lower it down. There we go. Now we should have hopefully a cylinder section down there. 2 cylinder. Excellent. There we go. It's in. Beautiful. And that should be able to turn around, and as you screw it up, it screws up and down. So that works out good. Actually, I'm going to leave that. Works out good. Now this piece here. No, that's the wrong way. Need that piece there, but I can't get to it. I wonder, hold on. What piece is this? That one. If I make that one invisible. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to make the thread visible. What did I bring up? Oh, that's right, you. I used, okay. Yeah, no, I don't want the whole thing. Okay, I'll say make thread invisible. Actually, you know what? If I open that up, can I actually make the thread invisible in this part? Just the thread only? Nope. Well, can I actually go up to there? There you go. Let me just say that for a minute. Go back. Okay. Now, if I click on that one, I need to be mate, sorry. Then click in that one. What the heck? Thread's moving. Okay, so I think I'd done a mate before that I probably shouldn't have done. Not that one. That one. Delete that one. Now I can pull this one out. There we go. Now if I go back to this one here, bring that back down, bring the thread back. There we go. So if I pull that out, now the thread nip is still mated. That's one way to do it. There we go. Alright, there's the 3-40 assembly, or assembly 309 for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon for the Boiler Feed Clack Bypass. So I hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Got any suggestions at I can do that better, let me know. Especially that ball, I would like to gotten there properly. But again, this is basically a stagnant model. If you build it real life, you'd fit in there, no worries. So thanks again for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next episode. Remember, survival. Remember, thank you very much.